good morning. How are you today? Join me guys. Let's play basketball sa Pier Mall. Okay? Pre, morning pre.
Good morning.
Saan na yung kabayo mo?
Parating na.
Parating na? Hello to my big boss, Concourse A, Boss Sanjay. Good morning. Boss Shafik and Boss Tangkachan. Stay healthy. Stay safe. This is sa Pier Mall, 3rd floor, Sharjah. Shout out to all perfumes. BA, Concourse A, Concourse B, Concourse C, and Concourse D. Also Al Maktoum.
Bye, कैसा है भाई?
Airport.
अच्छा है?
More sale guys. Hello duty free. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning.
Jay,
Preparation na to, Yorme.
how are you?
Preparation
Champion
na.
ba? Champion?
I hope.
Hello YSL, how are you?
How are you? Watch. Watch out.
Bassmate, good morning.
Oh my God.
How are you?
Good, Tia.
Very good. Kaway-kaway naman yan. Ma'am, good morning. Baby boy, good morning. You are in YouTube. Say hello. Hello. Mike, how are you? Acha hai, tike? Very good. Oh, boss, kamusta?
Number 1.
Shoutout ka sa ship mo.
Shout out, Chip B.
Number 1?
Number 1.
Number 1. Basket! Marte in the house. 6-3. Good shot. Basket. Kuya Dos. Rakam Wahid. Good shot. Basket.
Bola.
Basket by Leo. Shot. 3 points. Spot. Nice shot. 12-11. Bang! All 12. Sherwin, nice shot. Bang! Final score 16-15. Paul, nice shot. Paul 16. 18-16. Bang! 19-16. Shoktong, best player. Basket.
All
19. Game ball.
21-19. Sherwin team win. Second game. Starting lineup. Team Sandro, Reggie, Sarge, Mark, Joel, Team Yorme, Uncle Carl, Creus, Tito Carl, and Michael. Hi to my friends, Electronics, Concourse B, Tatarod, Ompong, Cooks, and Papa Ken. Nice shot, Mark Jen. Hi to all DG Boys, Chato, Roy, Allen, Consi, Billy, Kuya Kim, Edgar Brescia, Bullet, Ryan Lopez,
Basket.
Uncle
Kuya.
Carl, Wilmar, Ernie, Olwan, Marlon Cas Office, Raymond Chong,
Yan na.
RB Building 166, Kuya Ryan,
Nice pass by
Uncle
Yorme.
Pitts, Michael Sanchez, Joen Bulgari, and JP.
Yorme,
Nice shot,
23.
Yorme!
Nice
Putang
shot.
brother!
Good shot by Sarge. Scoring machine, Michael from CA. Basket by Sarge. Shoutout, Katropang Miguel, Loverboy, David. Hello to all my beautiful duty managers. Ma'am Hazel, Ma'am Nori, Ma'am Ibet, Ma'am Joy, Ma'am
Joel
Melanie,
Dulo, nice shot.
Ma'am Jasmine, Ma'am Banji.
Yorme, tira mo
Stay
na!
safe, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Crayos, 3 points.
Tira! Oh, di ba? Crayus na yan. Siya natitira niyan. Naka-video eh. Kaya na, Yorme! Ay, Yorme! Basket!
Team Sandro win, 21-20.
Kitang-kita. Tito Reggie ang nagpanalo. Yun. Ano masasabi mo, Tito Reggie? Tito Carl, number 1.
Third game, Team Onen, Eman, Sherwin, Bernard, Chris, Team Menjil, Kuya Dos, Drex, Hayden,
Porto.
and Leo.
Six two. 7-3. Nice shot. Basket by Leo. 7-4. Bang! Shoktong 3 point. 7-6 final score. Bang, bang, bang. 8-6. 2 points by Chris. Basket. 2
8-7.
points by... Bang!
Shoktong 3 points.
Lamang, lamang. 9-8, 9-8. Chase court. Final score, 11-10.
Hello to all electronics staff in Concourse A, Shipsy, Danny, Joheb, Amin, Fatima, April Jan, Ron Chua, Ron Kirimit, and Muhammad Emarati.
12-9.
Shout out to my batchmate,
Basket.
paring Ian, Lester, Carlos,
Final score,
and Dwight.
14-11.
Also, paring Albert, stay pretty boy.
Short. Four.
Kuya Dos, good shot.
Basket. 14-13. Fifteen, 13. Basket. 18-17. Score 2016. Game ball. Guys, 21-16.
Thank you for watching. Maasalam. God bless.